Punta kami ng pool. Ay, ng splash pala. Doon. Yan, o, di ba? Splash kami ng mga bata batuta. Ay ko, ayan na. Napapatid na ako. Ano ba, hindi na ako marunong magtsinelas ba? Or sa bike. Parang nagano yung tuhod ko. Parang nagano yung tuhod ko. Anong tawag doon? Yung kakabike yata. Parang
rumupok na.
oo. Di ba na ganun-ganun siya? Ay, kailangan ko talaga yung nakaupo na ano, mag-bike-biking. Oo, ganun pala. Georgie, and then later we go in the football? Soccer?
No.
What?
We're only gonna do.
I think I need this one, fitness.
No,
Huh?
we're doing fun-related stuff.
Okay,
Not
fun.
football.
Okay, not football? Why?
Yeah, restaurants, water parks, and like stuff.
Oh, but we need
Maybe.
exercise.
An iPad. And sometimes walking, buffet.
You see they are here playing. Oh,
It was ping
yun,
pong.
doon kami pupunta. Open na. But we need to put
That's
your
an Asian
Indian here.
restaurant. Me and Mommy are going there tonight.
Wow. You are lucky. So behave to mommy.
We're gonna do ping pong.
Yeah, you have to date mommy. If only my mommy were here, we're doing that. Because we love our mommy. Because soon my...
Why I'm still here in Dubai?
Why?
Because of my mom and dad. And
Yeah.
we support them to
You
go
want- you
to
want
buy
money.
medicine.
Yeah, that's why be good.
And you want money from ATM.
It's not for Kian, it's not for my husband. It's for my mom and dad.
Because they can afford.
For Kian, you don't care that.
I'm scared of Kian, but the
Yan, ganda. Wala na tayong ginawa kundi mag-anon talaga.
Kian.
Ano, George? Ha?
Would you,
Kara.
would you spend all your money?
Naku, ang gaganda ng mga ano, oh. May mga bunga-bunga ang mga ano dito, oh. Di ba? May mga bunga-bunga. Mga ano nila. Ano ko? Ayan. Mamaya, video natin sa water park. Medyo ano. Pagod. George, madapa ka, ha? Madapa. Pagod. Yan sila, oh. Sa likod, oh, di ba? Yan. Hoy!
Follow the leader.
Go, follow!
I'm the leader.
Go!
Follow me.
Follow,
Okay, we have
follow.
arrived at the water park. Let's start this challenge. Come on.
No running?
We only have like 1 hour or two.
Oh.
Let's do this.
Oy, no running, ha?
me.
Mamaya madapa kayo.
buti nagsama yung dalawa.
Kasi kinukulit eh. Green aqua.
Parang Pilipinas lang naman.
Ang ganda na. Kaya lang mainit.
Hindi masyado.
Hindi may. O dahil nag-ano lang tayo. Ano yung init niya?
Kanina 26 eh.
Yun, umaga yun eh. Alas 12 na eh. Magalaon na.
29 ate Jackie.
Oh, 29. Oh, yan. Ang ganda ng splash. Oh.
Parang gusto kaya doon. Pero
Ayoko doon. Lalo ako mahimatay.
hindi, yung sa ano nga, yung sa ate Jackie nakita mo
And
yung
I
sa
forgot to tell you this.
sa
What?
pinta natin sa Panjumayra.
Oo.
Gano'ng kataas
And I
yun?
forgot
Ay, mas marami ito. Oh. Mas mataas to. Marami yan. Oh, yan.
something.
Mas marami yan. Oh, yeah.
I forgot to mention something. But after you try each slide, you have to give it a rating.
Parang sa Baguio ganyan yung mga ulap.
Slide. Okay?
Yan, ganda
We're
na.
gonna start from biggest slide.
Bye
to
for
smallest.
now.